Happy Friday, everyone. Thank you for joining me for day 15 of Art with Miss Choate. Today, I'm sitting on the carpet because we have a game to play. And if you notice by my shirt, it's Frida Yay. And I'm so excited to wear this shirt. I've been waiting for this best day to wear my Frida Kahlo shirt. And what we're gonna be doing today is called an Exquisite Corpse. Now there's gonna be two ways you can play this game. You can either do it by yourself, which is this way that I'm showing. You're gonna take one piece of paper, and I'm gonna go through this more in a minute, and you're gonna cut it into sections, and you're gonna be drawing the head, the body, and the legs. And you're gonna draw 3 different bodies. Here I have a cat body, here I have a human body, and here I have a duck body. And the whole point of this game is that you can get rid of the duck head and leave the human head and maybe put in the cat feet. So you have these silly little corpses that you're making. Or if you have somebody that you can work with, you can take 2 pieces of paper, and let's pretend there's only 2 of us playing. You're gonna fold your paper in half, and you're gonna draw the top half of your person, and then you're gonna pass it to the person you're playing with, and they're gonna draw the bottom half, but they don't get to look at the top. And then when you're done, you open it up, and you're gonna have 2 drawings that are so crazy and wacky and weird, but they're gonna be awesome. So my partner left me, but hopefully yours didn't. Or if you don't have a partner and you're just doing this by yourself, there's totally a way to do it and you're still gonna be laughing. So let's get started. All right, so for our Exquisite Corpse, there's gonna be 2 ways to play. Either by yourself, like this one, or with somebody next to you. So I'll start with the way by yourself first. You're gonna be taking a piece of paper and you're gonna be folding it into thirds, even thirds. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. And if you're doing with somebody younger, obviously you'll need to help them do it the even thirds. And now we're gonna cut it evenly into thirds. Don't cut through all of them at once. Cut your first layer. You could use a ruler if you need to, or you can eye it. Or you could mark it with a pencil if you're doing this with somebody younger so they can practice their cutting. Just make a light pencil mark and have them follow it. Now those aren't even, but that's okay. So now we're gonna come open this up and we're gonna cut the same line. So right from there to there, from here to here. And you're gonna cut that. All the way to the fold. All the way to the fold. So now you can open it up and you're gonna do one person here, another here, and another here. That way, when you're folding it, you could put a duck head on a human body. You could put a cat head. You could put a duck body. So you can pick, and if you're doing with somebody younger, you can help them. Like, you know, what's their favorite animal? Do they want? I recommend, it's always funny to do a human, but you don't have to. Any character you want. So I'm just gonna draw this little figurine that's in front of me. And if you want to draw from something you're seeing, that can help. Or if you need to pull up an image. So I'm drawing the little wooden figure that I have. I'm gonna pretend that there's eyes on it. And these can be little made up figures too. It doesn't have to be this real life. So the head is gonna be here on all of them. Head, head, head. And then here is gonna be the body, the torso. We don't want to do the legs until down here. And now the legs. And you'll notice because I cut it a little uneven, my legs will be a little short, and that's okay, because it's gonna be silly. Or maybe I let them run off the page. So there's my first figure. So my head, my body, and my legs. Now I can flip all of them over on one side and draw my next figure. So maybe I'll do an elephant. And remember, you're only doing the head. Okay, not my best looking elephant, but that's okay. I was worrying about the paper. And now we come into the body. And now we do our legs. I don't know why I put little arms up there. Oh well, maybe a little tail. So here's my elephant. Now I can flip it. Remember, these can be like aliens too, so maybe I'll do an alien here. What do aliens look like? Okay, so I got my alien head, alien body, looking kind of like a bug. And then we come to my alien legs. Maybe it's like a something like that. And it can be anything you want. So now you're gonna be able to flip it open and have a laugh about it. So there's way number one if you're doing this alone or if your partner doesn't want to work together, and that's okay. So let me show you the second way. So if you have somebody to work with and they want to work with you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna each have a piece of paper. And if there's 2 of you playing, you fold it in 2. If there's 3 of you playing, you fold it into 3s. So I'll fold it into 2. I'll pretend like Pepper is playing with me. And you can start with the open area facing up. So this would be partner 1. This is partner 2. And you're gonna draw the head and the upper part of the body. Don't look at each other when you're drawing it. So I'm gonna pretend I'm partner number 2. So you're gonna draw, we're gonna do that alien again. Or maybe some kind of bug. And then you're going to start to draw the body. And you could put a time limit on it or just wait till everyone's done in your group. And remember, the more details, the funnier it's going to look. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to bring that line down so that your next person knows where to start. So if you have a line kind of going like this, so they have some kind of idea. And when you pass it to your partner, you're gonna have it so the open edge is down and they can see a little bit of your drawing. Now partner number 1 is gonna take over and draw the lower part of the body and the legs. Now they don't know that you were drawing an alien. They might be thinking about an ant. So maybe how can they turn this into an ant? And maybe they continue, they're like, oh, those lines were interesting. And when you're done, and maybe you've added color, you can have color if you want to, you open up and you laugh and you're like, oh my goodness, look at how this combined. And same thing with when partner number 2 was drawing here, partner number 1 would be drawing here, and you'd do the same thing. You'd pass it, partner number 2 would be drawing here. So there's our 2 little games, our exquisite corpses as they're called. You can either do it alone or with a partner. And so either way, and with whatever supplies you have, you could be doing this with pencil, you could be doing it with colored pencil, marker, crayon, paint if you wanted to. The whole idea is try to have fun, break out of your comfort zone, and try something new. Thank you everyone for joining me today, and hopefully you had fun on this Friday playing a game, however you want to play it. Remember, you can twist it into your own design. If you're alone, if you have 3 people, then you fold it 3 times. It's all up to you. Art should be fun, relaxing. Remember, hopefully you were able to laugh with me today. Maybe you laughed so hard you cried. I don't know, but hopefully you had a good time. And if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want. Do you like Friday game day? I can keep that rolling. And just let me know. I'm all ears, and hopefully you have a wonderful weekend. Tune in with us tomorrow. I'm going to be doing Saturday in the studio. So have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Bye.